Everybody desires that fashionable haircut featuring long hair for men. However, the challenge is that as your hair grows longer, more problems emerge. Issues like hair fall, dandruff, and dryness appear. If you fail to maintain proper care, in just a few years, your appearance might resemble this. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to care for your hair correctly in 5 straightforward steps. Let's begin. Cleansing. The first step is cleansing. This isn't just about washing the hair, but prioritizing scalp cleaning. Every day, pollution, dust, sweat, and dirt build up in our hair. That's why consistent cleaning is crucial. You'll need shampoo for this. But first, understand this. Regardless of the shampoo you choose, its sole purpose is to clean your hair and scalp. Don't anticipate that a shampoo will make your hair thicker, shinier, or stronger. It won't. Shampoo is for cleaning, nothing more. How frequently should you shampoo each week? That depends on your lifestyle. If you stay indoors often or work a desk job, shampooing 2 to 3 times weekly is sufficient. If you're frequently outdoors, travel, work in dusty environments, go to the gym, or play sports, use a mild shampoo daily. Which shampoo should you choose? If your scalp is oily, your hair feels greasy even without oiling, or you have dandruff, opt for shampoos containing exfoliating ingredients like salicylic acid, glycolic acid, or tea tree oil. These effectively remove excess oil and dirt. For a normal scalp, select any mild sulfate and paraben-free shampoo that fits your budget. Here are my recommendations. If dandruff is an issue, choose a shampoo with ketoconazole. It will completely eliminate dandruff. Here's the proper shampooing technique. Don't scrub your hair roughly like animals. Gently massage with your fingertips for at least 1 to 2 minutes to ensure the scalp is thoroughly cleaned. And no matter how cold it is, never use hot water to wash your hair. Always use normal or cold water. Why? Ask ChatGPT what happens when you pour hot water on your scalp. Conditioning. The second step is conditioning. You've probably noticed that after shampooing, your hair feels dry and rough. This happens because shampoo strips away natural moisture. So conditioning is the next step to restore moisture, making hair feel soft, shiny, and healthy. Here's how to apply conditioner correctly. After shampooing, squeeze excess water from your hair. Take a small amount of conditioner based on your hair length and apply it only to the hair strands, not the scalp. Remember, avoid falling for 2-in-1 shampoo plus conditioner products. Always use a separate conditioner. Drying. The third step is drying. Drying hair requires care. The biggest mistake is vigorously rubbing wet hair with a towel, which causes breakage and weakens roots over time. Instead, gently pat and press the hair dry with a towel. The best choice is a microfiber towel. It absorbs water better and prevents damage. I've linked one in the description. If you use a hairdryer, always set it to a normal or cool temperature. Never use hot air. Remember, never apply hot water or hot air to your scalp. Oiling. The fourth step is oiling. Oiling adds moisture and a protective layer to your hair. Nowadays, many also use hair serums, which serve a similar purpose: moisture, shine, and smoothness. When should you oil? After showering and getting ready, apply just 2 to 3 drops of oil to your hair strands, not the scalp. You may have heard since childhood to apply oil to the scalp. That's incorrect. The scalp is naturally oily, as the head has the most oil glands in the body. It doesn't need extra oil, so apply oil only to the hair strands. However, once a month, you can massage and apply oil thoroughly. If you have an oily scalp or dandruff, avoid heavy oiling and never leave oil on overnight. Just keep it for an hour before washing. If you use styling products like wax, gel, pomade, or hairspray, ensure they don't touch your scalp. And if you style your hair in the morning, always wash it before bed. Never leave styling products on overnight. These may seem like minor habits, but trust me, they significantly impact your hair's health. Nutrition. The fifth step is nutrition. Hair roots draw nourishment from food. If your diet is poor, no shampoo or oil can save your hair. Here are the nutrients essential for healthy hair. Protein. Hair is 90% protein, called keratin. If you're protein deficient, address that first. Include foods like eggs, cheese, chicken, lentils, chickpeas, and soy chunks. Eat 3 eggs daily for breakfast. Healthy fats keep the scalp naturally moisturized and hair shiny. The best sources are nuts and seeds like almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin A, C, E, zinc, and biotin, are also vital. For vitamin A, eat spinach, broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. For vitamin C, consume oranges, amla, and lemons. Hydration and lifestyle matter too. Drink 7 to 8 glasses of water daily to prevent a dry scalp and dandruff. Sleep well and reduce stress, as stress directly causes hair fall. That's it. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.